Remembering the pain won't fade. Because of the war I had to leave you behind. You'll never disappear from deep in my heart. A story to be told for generations to come.
I still remember the day we had to part. Tears fell from everyone's eyes, leaving behind parents, family, and friends, never wanting to go to a faraway land.
Looj, ceeb, you are the Hmong's proud city. Our people were honored through General Vang Pao's.
The Hmong stood tall in the mountains as brave soldiers.
That's how our people gain respect and fame. Grandfather, you left us behind. Our tears turned into blood through sorrow and pain. The Hmong scattered across the world without a leader. Our tears have never stopped falling since then.
Planes left fading in the clouds. Our homes destroyed, buried in the forest. Looj remains still known, still remembered. Every Hmong heart longs for that old city.
Though we now live in free and peaceful lands, we still feel lost as if we don't belong. Our dreams of unity remain just dreams.